Darcy. Welcome to a bright sunny day in Melbourne and you're watching Combustion Inc. Welcome to the 2017 Formula 1 Rolex Australian Grand Prix. The Australian Grand Prix is a huge event. There's so much to see, so much to do. There's so many cars on display and manufacturers displaying their cars. So really, I'm just going to show you guys some of the things that really take my fancy and hopefully some of the awesome on-track action. There are a few rain clouds hovering ominously in the distance, but hopefully they stay away and we get some awesome, clean racing on track. I'm just heading back to my grandstand right now. You can hear just the Formula 1s going around in the background. It's practice 3 at the moment. But the Formula 1 has actually gone through a number of technical changes this year. There's wider floors and also bigger tyres, which increase mechanical grip. There's wider wings, which increase more downforce. The cars look so much more aggressive. So hopefully we see some better overtaking and perhaps knock Mercedes off their perch.
Look at the outside, that Lamborghini.
The speed comparison isn't always my favorite on-track activity, but just hearing that V10 again, I mean, just that scream, that wail of the V10, it just really makes me miss those amazing naturally aspirated engines. So with the backdrop of the paddock behind me, I'd just like to take a minute to talk about the actual F1 cars to you guys. So obviously Mercedes are still edging everyone else out on pace. They've been the running world champions for the last 3 years. Obviously they're still going to have an edge, even if there is a giant technical regulation shake-up like there has been. But I'm optimistic. Both Ferrari and Red Bull's pace is very, very good, and hopefully in qualifying we can see Lewis get knocked off his perch. As far as liveries go, my two favourites have to be the Renault and also the Scuderia Toro Rosso. The combination of the yellow and black just looks so nice. It contrasted beautifully, and the Toro Rosso is just so vibrant. I love that they've actually kind of broken their norm and gone, there goes something now. I love that they've actually shaken up their design and gone with something really, really vibrant and new. It just looks absolutely fantastic, and I can't wait to see them on track.
Race result. Has got the lead. Whincup is second. McLaughlin lost at 40. And David Reynolds in the first. Irreversible opponent running back in position number 6.
Oh my poor ears. go. Forza Ferrari.
Goes up into 4th place. He's just understeer of the Red Bull has got the better even of Daniel Ricciardo. Fastest of all.
So, unfortunately, qualifying went pretty much the way I thought it would. Unfortunately, Ferrari just didn't have the pace to keep up with the Mercedes. Lewis Hamilton ended up claiming pole position, but luckily, within the last 10 seconds, Sebastian Vettel managed to snatch second place from Valtteri Bottas. So we have Mercedes, Ferrari, Lewis Hamilton, Sebastian Vettel, Valtteri Bottas, Kimi Räikkönen, respectively. So hopefully the race brings a better result than qualifying. Unfortunately, Daniel Ricciardo as well, our local boy, ended up crashing out and he will start 10th on the grid, which is a real shame because I was really hoping he'd get up there as well. But it's been an amazing day. There's just so much to do here and it's pretty much almost impossible to do everything in only one day. So thank you again for watching. Please remember to like because it helps me out immensely and subscribe. Thanks guys, see you later.